Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, July 24th, and we're going to take a look here at Apple and what's happened in the past couple of days, last week and this week. From the setup we talked about in the Momentum and Price Action Setup in Stocks series 2 weeks ago, I think is when we talked about this. And what we were looking at was the range here in Apple with support down at 142.2 and resistance at 148.3. Well, we ended up breaking through that last week and followed through fairly well. And we've retraced. And what's happened here the past 2 days, Friday and today, we had a hammer on Friday with what we call a last kiss. Okay, so a last kiss is once we've broken through resistance, we pull back and retest broken resistance, now a support. That's what we did on Friday. Then we also triggered a bull flag by breaking Friday's high today. So that suggests it's going to continue to climb. So what do we want to see happen next with Apple? Well, next we need to see this continue to accelerate away. We should not break through today's low tomorrow, and tomorrow should not break through, or then Wednesday's low should not break through tomorrow's low. We should continue to put in higher lows as we continue to climb up. Now we're going to run into a little bit of resistance up here from the highs. First, we're going to have the trend line for resistance at about 154.5. Once we get through there, then we're looking at the two pivot highs and the all-time highs ranging between call it a 156 and the all-time highs at 156.65. So be watching for that breakthrough. Once we're through there, then we should be clear to continue to head higher. So the daily momentum looks really bullish. The only thing that concerns me about this is the weeklies. The weeklies have very weak momentum. You can see how it's died off quite a bit on the second rally. So what does that mean? Well, it means we are bullish as long as we do not break the previous weekly low. Okay, so as long as this week does not go below next week's low, or as long as this week does not go below last week's low, it'll stay bullish. And then as long as next week doesn't go below this week's low, it'll stay bullish. So be keeping an eye on that. But again, if the last kiss is going to behave the way a last kiss should, we should see acceleration the next couple of days to the upside. So that's all I have for you for today. I hope it helps. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, happy trading.